Black holes and the cosmic web. Black holes are not isolated entities. They are deeply connected to the large-scale structure of the universe. They play a central role in the formation and evolution of galaxies, often acting as the anchors around which galaxies grow. Supermassive black holes, located at the centers of galaxies, influence the motion of stars and gas in their vicinity. Their immense gravitational pull binds galaxies together, while the energy released from accretion disks and jets can regulate star formation by heating and dispersing surrounding gas. Galactic collisions and mergers often lead to the merging of black holes, creating even larger supermassive black holes. These events release powerful gravitational waves, ripples in space-time that can be detected by instruments like LIGO and Virgo. The relationship between black holes and the cosmic web extends beyond galaxies. The jets from supermassive black holes can shape the intergalactic medium, distributing energy and influencing the formation of galaxy clusters. Black holes are key players in the intricate interplay of forces that define the universe's structure. By understanding the connection between black holes and the cosmic web, astronomers piece together the story of how galaxies and the universe itself have evolved over billions of years.